Just because words were not enough, and they were words I could never say. Just because the feelings I had inside of me, it told me to find another way. Just because I loved you. Just because seeing you dancing with someone else made it clear to me. Just because deep down I guess I always knew I loved you, because you made me feel so free. Just because I love you. Just because how I felt the time you held my hand. Just because falling this deeply wasn't planned. Just because I love you. Just because I grew to love you for the way you made me feel. Just because being around you helped me start to heal. Just because you made me happy. Just because to me you had no flaws. Some pretty flowers with some silly words were sent. Just because. Just because I love you. Just because my heart fooled my head into thinking that you could possibly feel the same. I got caught up in this heartbreaking, never-ending, losing loving game. Just because I love you. Just because I love you.